guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get a Momo number from withdrawing from Bexchange app. You get a Momo number for withdrawing from the Bexchange app. So this is a sample of Momo number. Yeah, this is a sample of Momo number. So these are all Momo numbers. So if you need a Momo number, you just text me at WhatsApp. You check the link in the description, then you click on it, then you message me at WhatsApp for your Momo number. You can also become an agent when you buy the agent app from me. You can inbox me just to buy your Momo numbers. Yes, all I need is your bank details if you want to link it to your bank. If you want to link it also to your Binance, you need your Binance account. Your Binance account links, maybe your Bitcoin address or your USDT address, then you link it to it. If you want to do withdraw to your Cash App, you need your Cash App ID, that you link it to it. So it's just a 5 to 10 minutes process, then you have your Momo number. Okay, so check the link in the description to buy your Momo number. Okay, you can also become an agent when you buy the agent app from me. Everything agent app from me. You buy the agent number from me, agent app from me. You can create Momo numbers for all users. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.